Hello guys, I'm Super Ron, welcome back to the channel, and we're back here at Autoshack, and today we have our open day. We've got a few more bits to get ready and then we are open to the public for everyone to see what we do. So we've got a lot of cars here on the ramps. First of all, we've got my very own C5 RS6. We've got this Mark II Golf 20 valve turbo that we've been doing lots of work on. We've got this Superstar. This is a Mercedes SL V12 twin turbo, and this thing sounds amazing when you start it up on the starter motor. Sounds like a jet engine. And then of course we've got the Caddy project, and just to show we do service regular cars at Corner Garage, we've got this Yeti on the ramp as well. So let's get the workshop set up. We're going to put some barriers out so people can come in and not get themselves in mischief, and then we'll be ready. So we've got a lot of barriers. Let's get these out. And I've also painted the Super On ramp. So of course we need some Super On branding. Perfect. Better. So the RS6 is sitting pride of place right in the doorway. We've got the carbon fibre engine bay all cleaned up and looking good. I've given the whole car a good polish and it is looking immaculate. Very proud of this one. We've got the Mark II Golf sitting here with the 20 valve turbo conversion. This one's had a lot of work done to it. This is actually fully resprayed in purple, not how it looks on the picture, just in black. This is a stunning car. We've got this mini supercar. This is a V12 twin turbo. This sounds very cool here, sitting in the corner. And of course, we've got our Caddy show car build. This will be on display as well. So I think we are all safe and ready. Let's open the doors to the public. Right, I think we can definitely call that a great success. We've had a lot of people here today. The burgers have been flowing, the coffee's been flowing, the cars have been flowing, and we've had a lot of people looking around. So hopefully we're going to put another one of these on closer to the summer. So I'm going to wrap this video up here, but until next time, make sure you have fun.